When parties litigate, oftentimes I hear a client say, "I can't wait to tell my story in court." My name's Janet Gemmell. I'm a board-certified family law specialist in North Carolina. When parties litigate, oftentimes I hear a client say, "I can't wait to tell my story in court." At mediation, you get to tell your story to somebody who's listening and wants to know and wants to be able to use some of the information you're telling them to help get the other side to settlement and to help you get to settlement. So they care about that. When you go to court, I'm not saying the judge doesn't care. Judges care dramatically, but they get to hear you for a very limited time and on a limited day in a limited space, and they only get to hear you through your attorney. They get to hear you during testimony, but it's through questioning. It's through a planned format. And you gotta practice it. There's a lot that goes into that. And whatever that judge hears, whatever they interpret, you don't get to tell them more later. You don't get to go and tell them the stuff you forgot or you didn't say exactly as you want to. And then they're gonna make a decision about your life and your finances and your children, and you have to live with it. You can appeal, but you generally have to live with that decision. At mediation, you get to make some of those choices, and it's a big deal. It's so much better for you to design your outcome than for someone you don't know to tell you what you're gonna do. Would you do mediation if you were sued? Tell us. We wanna know, because the only way you can get better is by hearing from others.